In the heart of every smart vehicle lies a digital brain, powered by artificial intelligence. This brain doesn't just control the car, it learns, adapts, and evolves with every mile. It predicts your moves, senses danger before you do, and ensures every journey is smoother, safer, and smarter. Welcome to the era where cars think and drive like never before. Imagine a city where traffic flows like data, fast, efficient, and connected. AI systems link every car, signal, and streetlight, creating a living network of intelligence. No honks, no jams, no wasted fuel, just synchronized motion powered by artificial intelligence. The city of tomorrow is already learning today. Sit back and relax. There's no need for a steering wheel. Inside the autonomous vehicle, AI becomes your personal chauffeur, guide, and protector. It scans the road, reads your schedule, and even adjusts the mood lighting to match your emotions. This is not science fiction, it's the next chapter of mobility. High above the streets, AI monitors every turn and every light. From smart intersections to predictive traffic flow, artificial intelligence orchestrates movement like a symphony. It learns from human behavior, adapts to patterns, and eliminates chaos. A world where traffic jams belong only to the past. Every journey teaches the car something new. Through deep learning, the vehicle analyzes millions of scenarios, adapting, evolving, and growing smarter. The more it drives, the more it understands. Soon your car won't just drive you, it'll know you. Beneath the metal and glass lies a neural universe, a web of connections mirroring the human brain. Each spark of data, each decision made, forms part of a living algorithm that drives intelligence. Artificial minds are now on wheels, turning machine learning into motion. Your car is no longer an island. It speaks to the cloud, sharing data with satellites, sensors, and cities. From weather predictions to real-time hazards, AI turns every vehicle into part of a connected ecosystem. Together, they form the world's largest mobile network, powered by intelligence. AI doesn't just drive smarter, it drives greener. Every volt, every watt, every battery cell is monitored and optimized in real time. The result? Longer range, cleaner energy, and zero waste. Artificial intelligence is redefining not just how we move, but how we sustain motion. The future of mobility isn't man or machine, it's both. Engineers and algorithms work side by side, crafting vehicles that learn from human intuition and improve it. Together, they're designing the perfect balance between emotion and precision, where creativity meets code. Eyes that never blink. LIDAR, radar, and cameras feed millions of data points into an AI brain that sees the unseen. From pedestrians to potholes, it reacts in milliseconds. These sensors are the eyes of the future, and they never miss a thing. Highways of the future won't just connect cities, they'll connect minds. Every car, every signal, every sign will communicate in harmony. AI traffic systems will guide vehicles with precision, turning chaos into coordination. A new dawn of intelligent mobility is unfolding across the asphalt. In tomorrow's factories, AI is the craftsman. Robotic arms assemble cars with microscopic accuracy, while algorithms predict and prevent flaws before they happen. Every spark, every weld, every movement, perfected by artificial intelligence. The result? Vehicles built not just by humans, but by human ingenuity amplified. What if your car could tell you what it needs before it breaks? Predictive AI diagnostics monitor every system, identifying wear, stress, and performance shifts in real time. It saves money, time, and lives, because prevention is the smartest repair. No two drivers are the same. And I knows that. From seat position to temperature, from music to route, your car learns your habits and anticipates your needs. Every drive becomes a personal experience, designed by data, refined by intelligence. The real revolution isn't just about smarter cars, it's about a smarter planet. AI is leading us toward a sustainable tomorrow where vehicles run clean, cities breathe easy, and technology serves nature. The road to the future is clear, intelligent, electric, and green.
Thanks for watching Kargala. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing car reviews, stay with us for the latest supercars.